my rotary table, and I've got a project for it. I don't know if you've been to my channel, but I've been working on this here part for my slow speed tapping machine conversion, but I'm going to be doing a bunch of rotary table work on here. I'm gonna have to build a little bit of fixturing, but I think this thing still works. I haven't done any rotary table work in a few years. This is there's no year here, but here, look at this. This is an old Cushman Stevens Tables, Cushman Industries, Hartford, Connecticut, USA. When we used to make a lot of our own tools. There's no year on it, but I bet you it's from the 50s at least. I got it from a place that started in Boulder, Colorado in the late 60s. I was just an apprentice and they were already in business. So they probably bought it then. It could be the 50s, could be the 60s, could be 70s, but from the looks of it, probably the 50s. But this weekend, we're going to see some rotary table work. Be here.